Hi, this is Stacy. I'm the author of the Foreclosure Survival Guide, which you can download for free at www.foreclosure-survival-guide.com. This video will focus on understanding the foreclosure process in Florida. The key to understanding foreclosure in any state is that the process is similar between the states, but each state has its own laws and regulations. So first we'll look at the general process. You miss a payment or two, the bank sends a legal notice that you're in the foreclosure process. Then you have some time to get caught up. If you can't do that, the bank pursues foreclosure through judicial or non-judicial means. Then there is an auction. Sometimes a short redemption period follows the auction. The lender then owns the home, and if you're not already vacated, you will be evicted. Understanding foreclosure in Florida means being able to apply these general principles to the specific laws of the Sunshine State. The first thing about understanding foreclosure in Florida is that it is a judicial state. That means the foreclosure can only happen if the lender files suit in a Florida court. Florida is also different in that they do not have a mandatory grace period to allow the homeowner to get caught up. Another facet of Florida foreclosure law is that the primary borrower is the only person that needs to be notified of the sale. Any co-borrowers do not get notice. The borrower is able to stop the foreclosure up until the time of the actual sale. Once the sale takes place, the lender must go back and notify the court that ordered it that the property has been sold. The redemption period in Florida is the time beginning between the sale and the time the court takes official notice of the sale. There's one important thing about understanding foreclosures in Florida courts. It is impossible to get an injunction against the sale from the court. The sale can only be set aside if there was an error made in the foreclosure procedure. It cannot be set aside for a low selling price. If the price at auction fetches less than the homeowner owes, the lender can file for a deficiency judgment, which means that the ex-homeowner now owes the lender the difference between the amounts. Understanding foreclosure in Florida means that you know the nuances that are particular to the Sunshine State's laws. Now that you have a little bit of understanding about foreclosures in Florida, you're probably wondering about what to do to stop your foreclosure. The best thing you can do is to go to http://www.foreclosure-survival-guide.com to download your free copy of the Foreclosure Survival Guide. Notice that you have to put dashes between the words, so it's www.foreclosure-survival-guide.com. Not only will the Foreclosure Survival Guide help you better understand foreclosures, it will also give you assistance, news, and resources to help you in this difficult time. If you're watching this video on on YouTube, directly to the right of the video, about a third of the way down the screen, there's a hyperlink that'll take you directly to the site. If not, type in directly www.foreclosure-survival-guide.com, and we'll see you on the other side.